Hi friends, can you find your crayons? We are going to make this Indian flag bright and colorful. Let's color together. Our flag has saffron, white and green colors. The blue Ashoka chakra is in the middle. Blue, blue, blue. Pick the blue. Color the cloud blue. Blue is pretty. Blue, blue, blue. Purple, purple, purple. Pick the purple. Let's color the little birds. Flap, flap, flap. Purple, purple, purple. Green, green, green. That's grass green. Pick the green. Color the grass. Green, green, green. Now light green. Green, green, green. Color the grass. Green, green, green. Brown, brown, brown. Pick the brown. Color the pole brown. Tall and strong pole. Brown, brown, brown. Orange, orange, orange. Pick the orange color. Color the top of the flag. Orange, orange, orange. White, white, white. The middle is white. Nice and bright. White, white, white. Blue, blue, blue. That's deep blue. Let's color the wheel. Round and round. Blue. Green, green, green. Pick the green. Color, color, color. The flag is looking beautiful. Green, green, green. Wow, we did it. What a beautiful Indian flag. Great job, little artist. See you in the next coloring adventure. Bye bye.